false homing beacon terminated 3 kilometers north of this location. But there is no area suitable for landing.
Well, looks like we'll have to do this the hard way. Clank, Zephyr, prepare for a halo jump.
10-4, rookie! Lead the way!
Woo! Halo jumps!
This reminds me of the time we did a halo jump with that Lombax and his middle buddy into the Craigmate homeworld. Chef, when was that? For crying out loud! That's happening right now, you darn fool!
Ratchet, you need to recover the Dimensionator before attacking. Not done. Let's just hope your friend wasn't dim-witted enough to wander around Reaper with it.
Crook! Halloween is here! We need to protect her!
I can take care of myself, Zephyr. Scanning all drops and channels.
Yes! Good to see it to be free. Knew it was going to upgrade soon.
We find Quark, we'll find the Dimensionator.
Ooh. Is that going to fall to this? Oh, okay. I was not expecting that. I know it's not gonna kill it, but I wasn't expecting that to happen. Didn't expect it to be able to do something that powerful. See if I can kill it with it and see how much experience I get. I remember this planet being ferociously difficult. Same with the final planet. I remember the final boss being really hard as well. This thing is not going down. There you go. How much experience? Oh, quite a lot actually. Oh, hi. Oh, look at that homing in. Just gonna destroy you all. Okay, time for rockets, I guess. I can use some rockets. I can use some rockets if I want to. I just don't feel like it at first, right? Look at that guy. He's having the time of his life. Get some bolts, always good. Okay, that's never good. Can I kill him with this? If not, I'm in trouble. Can't even believe I'm contemplating doing this. Well then, it worked. Yeah. Oh, that ain't gonna work twice. There's no way that'll work twice. Oh, there's ammo vendor right there. Didn't even notice. What silly me. Well, would you look at that? Let's upgrade the negotiator a little bit. There's no way I'm using those blades of doom here. Not a chance in hell. It's like suicide. Well, now that I know I can get health from these things, this isn't... Okay, maybe I can't. I don't know. Has it stopped giving me health? I can get ammo at least. At the very least, so that's good. Maybe you can only get health once from each vendor. In which case I used it quite wisely. Die. Ow. Nice. Oh god. I guess the maximum health is 200. I'm guessing. Take that. This was some mighty fine negotiating I did. So fine, but it did fuck all. I didn't even check. There might be a new weapon. It's impossible since I've got them all, but you know. Unless the Rhino appears afterwards. In which case I'd be very sad because I don't have everything. But
Ratchet, did you hear that? He's somewhere inside the stronghold. If we can capture those gunnery outposts, we can use them to take out the force field.
I am right here. Seriously, that lady, I am right this. Oh. Yeah, I thought so. Oh dear.
We need to neutralize those outposts. Cronk, take out that force field.
This is a fun planet. I remember it being a bit challenging, but it's fun so far. And at what point does the other side get some enemies coming from it? Never. Alright. I'm gonna check over here. I know it's probably gonna kill me and it's gonna be a very stupid idea, but I just want to see if there's actually anything over here apart from the armor vendor, which I've seen. But apart from that, you know. Hi. I want to get that, but at the same time, I really don't. Let me check. Yeah, you see, that's where you finish the level. I wonder if there was a cheat to get up there. Because if there is, it'd be really funny, because it'd probably do a cutscene skip. Go! Oh, there's some enemies. Whoops, my apologies. Ow, what shot me?
Nice work, Ratchet.
Thank you.
Get in there and override the turret control.
Thank you very much.
Finally,
Best devices. What's the most expensive thing you have? VAT. VAT is 500. Good. That's actually very good news because I'm going to need to get a lot of Groovatrons in the challenge mode playthrough. And when I say a lot, oh boy do I mean a lot. I mean like every possible Groovatron. Are you done? Oh lord. Hi. This is going to upgrade V3 now. Yeah! Be free! Oh dear. Be free. Be free. That's right. For victory. Yeah! Oh lord. There's so many of you. I wasn't expecting there to be this many. I mean, I knew there'd be a lot, but... that was pushing it a little bit. Must collect Raritanium. Must collect Raritanium. Must collect all the Raritanium. I said those enemies give you a lot of Raritanium. How do you get over there? It's probably in there. I must get that. That is going to be a hollow plan. Gotta be. If there's not a hollow plan, yeah. Come on. 2. It's hidden just at the side in a set of boxes. There's no way there's not a hollow plan in there. Knew there'd be a hollow plan. There was just no way. I mean, seriously. Oh god, sorry. Oh god. My apologies. Take it like a man. There you go. That's how it's done. Yeah.
Overriding encryption protocol.
I'm a god.
Safety processes. Readjusting cannon trajectory. Command.
I better get some ammo. They are going to be on me very soon. Yeah!
Clank, Zephyr, you guys stay on these turrets. We'll head inside.
Oh wow, they really are. There they come.
Incoming dropship.
Knew it.
Guys, we could really use those cannons about now.
Stand by, Miss Talman. Cannons primed in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I don't think it's this planet which is hard, I think it's the next planet which is insanely difficult. Because the next planet is really difficult, and I know it is. So, I'm looking forward to it, but I just remember it being insane.
Ratchet and I will head inside to find the Dimensionator.
I assume we can't go on the right. No! Oh no.
Can't galvanize that enforcer with Raritanium.
Hi. Is it dead? Okay, you can take this then. Bye! If you're not dead now, you will be soon. You said they did something with Raritanium? Yeah, I can see its effects working quite well. Because it's not dying. Now I'm going to do something really stupid, and you're going to love me for it. This isn't working. Okay. 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 Go! Oh, it's so close to upgrading.
All the time back on Kerwan 2.
So close.
I don't like this. It's too quiet here.
It is so close to upgrading. Oh, really? Ah. Nope. Nope. No. Raritanium and stuff. No. Where's the grenades? I'm not using that just for this, alright? Fine, I'll get to them myself. Fusion bombs. Just for a couple of lousy bolts. Bet it's not even worth it. Yeah, it really isn't. Wow. I'm thinking I should probably get some ammo, just in case. You know, considering. Also, while I'm here, I may as well spend some Raritanium. What am I going to use the most? Negotiator, let's face it. So let's upgrade that and that. And oh. Ooh. I do want that. I do want that a lot. Close to B4. Very close to B4. Nowhere. But that's what skill points are for. That's what skill points are for. I'm going to upgrade it doing that. Okay, I'm going to regret this, I know it, but I'm going to do it anyway. Go, 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 please work, come on. Yes! Upgrading. Oh, they're red now. When did they become red? Did she say try and look for another way in? There we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. There we go. Found it. Gotta love geolasers.